I'm Mike Gealt, and I'm Dean of the College of Science and Mathematics at University of Arkansas at Little Rock. And I have been here as Dean since beginning of 2006. Before I came here to University of Arkansas at Little Rock, I was the Dean of Engineering, Mathematics, and Science at Purdue University Calumet in Northwest Indiana. And before that, I was a faculty member at Drexel University in Philadelphia. I'm an environmental microbiologist and have been doing research in the environmental microbiology area for the past 25 years. I moved into administration because it helps me to help make the college and the university a better place for students. One of the things that a dean does is help select the faculty who are going to be in the classroom teaching students. And so, being dean, I'm able to make sure that we get people who are excited about their discipline, people who are excited about teaching in the classroom, and people who I think are better teachers. One of the other reasons for being dean is that it helps to enable the university to build up the experiences that students can have when they come to a university. When you come to UALR, you will find that there are lots of opportunities for students to work with faculty. And some of those opportunities come from the fact that we have some scholarship monies around that we've been able to secure. And getting scholarship money is very important to help foster students who want to participate in some of our research programs. One of the active areas in our college is the undergraduate research program, and we have many students who are working in laboratories with faculty doing research. Those students get to report about their research at a conference here on campus, and some of those students, a very few, get to go off to regional meetings and talk about their research. And some students actually go to national meetings, and then there is a conference put on by the Council of Undergraduate Research in Washington every year, and some students have been able to go to Washington to report on the research. This is a very good opportunity for students to get involved in their profession while they're still students. We've hired a lot of good faculty, and I think that's the main thing that has improved since I've been here. We have completed the chemistry laboratories, renovation of all the chemistry laboratories since I've been here. We have upgraded our research laboratories. We have really done a major change in the nursing facility. We have added new programs for teaching nurses. When I came here, we had an RN program where the students got an associate degree. We have added a bachelor's completion program. We have also brought in about $1 million of new scholarship money for that nursing program. That's mainly from the Patricia and Willard Walker Foundation. Also, if you were to go up to our nursing facility right now, and what you would see that's here now that wasn't here when I got here are simulated patients. We have computer-controlled simulated patients that help teach the students how to react in various clinical situations. I have gone on a number of trips while I've been a dean here and in previous places that have been involved in bringing international students to the university. We are now working on increasing the international student presence here at UALR. We right now have students from many different countries coming here and studying. We have a lot of students coming in from India, a lot of students coming from China, and a number of students coming from the Middle East. These are some students that we want to attract to UALR because they're very good students, and in their home countries they have gone through a lot of rigorous testing in order to be the top of the pile, because it's only the top of the pile in these countries that gets to go overseas for additional study. The next thing is probably to see the tremendous increase in research that's happening in UALR. Dr. Seeger in physics, astronomy, is doing some tremendous work in the area of supermassive black holes. Dr. Yanoviak in the biology department is looking at the interaction of the insects in our environment. Dr. Gaffney in our chemistry department is looking at the pollution in the air and some pollution in water. We've got faculty all over the university and all over our college who are making great strides forward. What's next for the university and what's next for the college is building this research presence even more. Our goal is to really become the premier research institution in Arkansas. We have a way to go to be that, but that is really the goal, and that's why we're bringing in a lot of research active faculty. Another thing that's happening right now is we're forming partnerships with other organizations in the area to help develop educational programs as well as research partnerships. So the next thing that's going to happen, the next big thing that's going to happen, is that UALR and the College of Science and Mathematics in particular is going to become a focal point for education and research in Arkansas, and to have our students graduate being able to go out and get jobs and be an economic force in Arkansas. I hope you think about the University of Arkansas Little Rock and coming to us and being a major in one of the sciences or in mathematics or in nursing, if that is the thing that you want to go into.